Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start with Activity Book Chapter 3 Family Fun. Phrasal verbs. What is phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are a verb that is combined with an adverb or preposition or sometimes both to give a new meaning such as look after or put somebody off is known as phrasal verb. We can say phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus preposition or adverb or sometimes both. Now the new word which is formed, that is phrasal verbs, has a meaning different from the combined. Okay, different meaning from the combined meaning of the individual words. For example, look down on, put somebody off, look after. These all are the example of phrasal verbs. They have a different meaning when they are formed. They give a different meaning from the words from which they are combined. Like our exercise A, if we see, these all are the words when we combine break with into. It gives a new word break into. Break into is a phrasal verb. Break down, break through, break above. Run with, run into, run down, run through. Rise above. Move out, move with, move into, move down, move through. Note down. Grow out, grow with, grow into, grow through and grow back. Now come to the exercise number B. See, here we are given with the words in the bracket. Within the bracket there are the words, but these words are little confusing words and we have to fill the correct word from the option given in the fill in the blanks. For that you have to see the dictionary to know the meaning of the words. Would you like to have some dash after dinner? Now here we are provided with two words, desert and dessert. Desert means Registan samajhte, that is known as desert. And dessert is something sweet which we eat usually after our dinner. The book club dash a dozen members who are also friends comprises. The book club comprises. It was awesome means it was beautiful to observe the herd of elephants cross the river. Awful means disagreeable. In order to reach my father's office building, turn left from the next junction, that is point of meeting. Altogether, it was a great story to read. Altogether means completely. Now we come to our next heading, that is the list of professions. There is a list of professions here given like accountant, actor, architect, astronomer, baker. Now who is a baker? A baker is a person who bakes cakes, cookies, anything. Clear? Like bricklayer, bus driver, butcher, carpenter, chef. Who is a carpenter? A carpenter is a person who makes furniture. Cleaner, dentist, designer, doctor, electrician. Clear? Then again we come to the next list. That is engineer, factory worker, fireman, farmer, fireman, florist. Fireman, a person who extinguishes fire, whose profession is to extinguish fire, is known as a fireman. Gardener, hairdresser, journalist, judge, lawyer, lecturer, librarian, lifeguard, mechanic and model. Same way in our book also it is given in exercise C. There is given a doctor who takes care of one's teeth is called a dentist. So here they have given the name of the professionals along with their job. So we have to match these professionals with their job. Clear? So just go through this page very nicely. Professionals along with their job, that is veterinarian, curator, pharmacist, pathologist, ophthalmologist, biologist, geologist, optometrist. Clear? Like who is an optometrist? 8 number. An optometrist is a person one who tests people's eyes and prescribes spectacles. Geologist, 7 number. Who is geologist? A scientist who studies the earth, rocks, soil, etc. Clear? So all these we have to match with each other, which is the names of the professionals along with their jobs. Now we come to another topic, that is synonyms. What is a synonym? A synonym is a word that means exactly or nearly the same as another word. If I can say word meaning, it is correct. Synonym is nothing else but giving the meaning of the word, where the both the words sometimes means exactly the same, both the words, and sometimes they mean nearly the same. Clear? Like here I have provided with a list of words. See, these are the very common words and you should know these words because these words are used in our day to day life. Attractive, appealing. Accomplish. Accomplish means to achieve. One more meaning of accomplish means to get done. If you remember it in our moral science book, we have the word accomplish along with its meaning. Admit, confess, alike, same, assist, help. Awful. Awful means terrible. Awful, we have seen this word awful on page number 17. The exercise. Awful means disagreeable, means which we cannot agree, which is not good. That is one more word here, it is terrible. Begin, to start. Big, large. Buy, purchase. Center, middle. Child, kid. Choose, select. Complete, finish. Delicious, yummy. Depart, leave. Difficult, hard. Easy, simple. One more list of words is there. You all just go through these words because these words are used in our day to day life. Now come to the book, page number 18, exercise D. Here also they have given us few words and we have to choose the suitable synonym from the box to fill in the blanks, like huge and big, colossal. Real, genuine, original, authentic. Feature, characteristic, speciality, peculiarity. Brave, fearless, daring, valiant. Valuable, precious, priceless, prized. So these all are synonyms. Now we come to page number 20. Here we are provided with few clues. With the help of these clues, we have to make the words in this crossword puzzle, that is across and down. We showed the children dash photograph, our OUR, our photograph. The banana tasted nice. Could I have dash one? Another one, please. I am afraid dash answer is correct. Neither. Could I see the other dress, please? I don't like this. Down. I can't decide whether to buy the red shirt or the blue one. I think I'll take both. The meal Kadir served had many dishes. Every house on the street has a number. You can have either one, you cannot have both. Each pen cost rupees 12. So here we have almost completed our chapter 3 of the activity book. Clear, students? Just go through this video nicely.